Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys using one of the new palettes from MAC in the PADMA LAKSHMI collection. I'm not sure if I pronounced her name right. I'm sure I butchered it, but I'm using the Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette for this look. This is what it looks like. As of right now, it is, I think it is sold out on MAC. It was available at Macy's last time I checked, which is where I purchased mine. The front is like hard metal almost, and it's textured. Then the back is reflective. And the box it came in was like super gorgeous. I did also pick up the other palette from this collection, so if you want to see a tutorial using that as well, let me know. I know I said I was going to use the Viseart palette first, but these are limited edition, so I wanted to get this up as quick as possible for you guys since that palette isn't going anywhere. Before we get started, be sure and subscribe to my channel and we'll begin the tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to go into this Desert Dusk palette. I love the blue and peachy shade next to each other. It is like super winter out here right now. Like we just got 5 inches of snow and it's still snowing, but it is spring now and I'm in a spring mood, so I'm wanting to use this palette. The other palette is available also, which I can also do a look with this one as well. They're both stunning. If you have the chance to, I would pick them up. I'm not sure if they're still available on MAC's website. I know the other day this one that I'm using today wasn't, but the other one was. I'm not sure where else they're sold, Nordstrom maybe, but I really wanted to use it, and I'm sure a lot of you out there also picked up this palette, so I wanted to go ahead and do a look for you guys. I'm postponing my Viseart tutorial just because these palettes are limited edition and that one obviously isn't. So now that I got that out of the way, I'm going to start by working in my crease because this is going to be like a really easy look. I'm only using these colors. So I'm going to go with my Morphe M433 and I'm going to dip into the peach shade in here. It's called Shell Peach. And I'm just going to take this and I'm going to zoom you guys in too. Alright, so I'm going to take this and put it in my crease. It's just like a really nice, pretty peach shade. Both of these palettes were just like screaming my name when I saw the coloring on them. The other one especially because it had purple and green in it, which are my go-to. And then this one, I just love the peach and the blue in this palette like a lot. I also want to pick up her lipsticks, a couple of those, and maybe, I think it's like a blush or contour and shimmer. I forget what it was, but I want that too. That's where they sell out like the MAC Lunar collection because I had my eyes set on that collection for a while and it sold out, and then when I saw this one I was like, oh my gosh, I need. So I ended up being able to pick up the two things I really wanted. So next I'm going to go in and do my all over the lid color. So like I said, this is going to be like a really quick and easy tutorial. I think I'm going to use this brush. It's my Morphe G14. I just like using it to pack on color. I'm going to wet my brush just because I did already do my base and I don't want to mess that up. So I'm going to go ahead. That picks up and it looks really pigmented on the brush. Oh, that's so pretty. What's funny is I know that I don't have this eyeshadow color in any other palette that I own. So that was another reason I had to pick it up. And it looks like my Do You lipstick that I picked up from MAC a while back. I think I used it in a tutorial like a year ago, probably longer than that. But I just thought it was so stunning. And this palette would be like amazing on someone with a deeper skin tone. Like, so pretty. I'm gonna do the other side. For me, I've just been like really loving what MAC has been putting out there lately. Their limited edition stuff included. I also bought a bunch of makeup at the cosmetics company outlet again after work yesterday, and I picked up quite a bit of stuff. I may do like a haul video if you guys want. Let me know down below. The only thing I hate about those type of videos is like, unless you have the outlet near you, you probably want to be able to pick up that stuff. I mean, a lot of it though, people might have already picked up. Like I picked up more from the Juicy Fruity or Fruity Juicy collection. And I got like some Bobbi Brown. I got a MAC foundation that was in my exact shade. The strobe cream, the normal one, because I was wanting the, I was wanting to get a strobe cream, but I saw that they no longer have the normal one, but they did in the outlet out there. But they do have like pink light, yellow light, all that kind of stuff, and like peach light. But I didn't know which one I should get, so I just went and I picked up the old one. Alright, so next I'm going to dip in with my tapered Morphe brush and dip into the shade Natural Brown in this palette. It's just like a matte brown. And I'm going to put this in the outer V and in my crease and just kind of blend it. This palette is, or this shade is a lot more powdery. It's more kickback, but I don't mind that or care. I just figured I'd note that it has more compared to the other matte shade in this palette. I'm just gonna lightly blend up. I'm gonna deepen this side just a little bit more. Alright, next I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M433 and dip back into the peach shade in here. And just kind of sweep this over everything again. Make sure I didn't lose any of that peach color. Plus it just kind of helps blend everything together. And then I'm going to take the blue and do the same thing on my lid. Just make sure it's all still there. And then I'm going to use the other shimmer shade in this palette, the Indian Moon, to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. So I'm just going to use my Morphe R41 and pop this right there. This shade is like stunning. Oh, I love that. I really need to do my eyebrows. I got some like lone hairs coming up, so ignore that. This is like a beautiful highlight shade, and this would be amazing all over the lid as well. Alright, I'm going to put on some liner, mascara, and lashes, and then I will decide what I'm going to do on the lower lash line. Alright, lashes are on, and now I'm going to do my lower lash line for you guys. So I can't decide if I want to do the blue underneath or if I want to do the peach. I think I'm going to do the peach to start, and then if I feel like adding more I will. I'm just going to use my Illuminate brush, the number 7, and sweep this under my lower lash line. Alright, with the same brush I'm going to dip into the Natural Brown shade and put this on the outer third of my eye. And same over here. I think I like that. And I might pop a little bit of blue down below, because so far I'm really liking this. So I'm going to go with this smaller brush. It's like a Morphe E36. I'm just going to pop this right there. Basically like to the halfway. And then I think I'm going to pop on some eyeliner down there, and then I'm going to put on my mascara to finish the look. So I'm using my Marc Jacobs highlighter. And then I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara and just put this on my lower lash line. I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury KKW lipstick. It's just a really pretty peachy nude. It kind of matches my eyeshadow. Alright, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And let me know down below if you guys want to see a tutorial using the other palette from her limited edition collection. This one is the 70 Sunset. Has a pretty peach in there as well with some purple and a green shimmer. I think this would be stunning on the eyes as well. Okay, so that is it. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!